Hello and welcome to Module 3 of the first course of the Electronics Specialization. Let's talk about a surprise at the Bell Laboratories, United States. While the first patent for a transistor was filed in 1924 in Canada by Julius Edgar Lilienfeld, the first working model was not produced until 1948 at Bell Laboratories, United States. Using the research of Lilienfeld, three scientists at Bell, Shockley, Bardeen, and Brattain, as part of a team, set out to construct a triode-like semiconductor that switches fast. What they wanted to do was control the flow of current through applying an external current, which had to be quite large, to force it through the semiconductor body by means of injecting electrons. After several experiments, they observed that, in fact, an application of a small amount of charge on any point on the semiconductor would cause the electrons inside to move far away from it. This was observed also through decrease in resistance when voltage was applied. So they built a device through which current could be controlled between two terminals by a third terminal. This was the transistor. With the production of a silicon transistor in 1954, the transistors found more applications in radios and in computers as technology progressed. Our purpose in this module and the next is to study two types of transistors: the MOSFET or metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, and the BJT, bipolar junction transistor.